What is up, guys? It's your boy Lex Money Crypto, and in today's video we're going to look into the general market. But before we do, make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. You subscribe to me for the Lex Money algorithm. Now let's get into the market. Now will you look at that? Everything, nearly everything, is in the red right now, guys. And I'm sure a lot of you are wondering, is it the time to be selling? Should we panic sell? Should we FOMO? Is it going to 25k? Is it going below 25k? What the hell do we do right now? Oof. Bitcoin at 26.6k. Now, it's pretty much falling off the edge of a cliff right now, guys. And I saw a tweet literally not that long ago. So I'm going to pull up that tweet. And I'm not going to lie, it rubbed me the wrong way. Because if you've been following the channel and you've been following a lot of the people who have switched on, and they're not just like hype people who say we're going to break the all-time high this year. Because, you know, we're not. Then you would know we've been expecting this in October. We had a green September, so we need either a red October, November, or December. So this is literally not surprising to me, and it's not really making me scared whatsoever, if I'm completely honest with you. But let me show you the tweet. Right, guys, so that, I can never do this right. This is like flipped or something. That tweet right there pissed me off, if I'm completely honest with you. We are so effed. And you see the Binance there dipping down below 27k. We're probably lower than that right now. We don't really be needing these fuddy type tweets. I mean, I don't know who this guy is. If you know who he is, maybe he's taking the mic and I'm getting triggered for no reason. I don't know, let me know. But when I see these kind of tweets, it's like, come on, guys, what? Are you expecting us to go up forever? Are you expecting us to go up for the whole rest of the year? Everyone's expecting us to break 30k. Do you really think that's going to happen? I'm seeing all of these perma balls and these ultra balls basically saying we're going to break the all-time high this year. When has that ever happened, guys? Like, when has that ever happened in any of the previous cycles? I trust the data and I trust what we've been working with from the past, right? Why should we go against it? So far this year, it has worked picture perfect, guys. It's been picture perfect, aligning with all of the other cycles. So when someone says we are effed, I'm like, okay, clearly you don't know what you're talking about, because we're not effed, guys. If you pay attention and don't FOMO, you'd know that we shorted 30k, which we did. You can go back to the previous videos and you'll find out at 30k we took a monster short. Fantastic. Cycle low was expected before the end of October, probably middle of October. I've said this like 3 or 4 times now. The second week of October going into the third week, I was expecting some sort of dump, and, you know, it's happening second week, all right? Number 3, 6 months until the halving, and we usually have a retrace of some sort in this little sideways consolidation period. It's not just going to go up and up and up forever, guys. So things like this wind me up, because it's going to get you guys wrecked, because you're going to sell, and then guess what? It's going to pump up again and you're going to be chasing it, and that's how you get your bags wrecked. And again, nothing on this channel is financial advice. This is my own opinion. This is my investment strategy. If you want to follow the journey, you can. But again, do your own research. Now, I wanted to show you this. I don't know where I should put myself. Let me put myself here to start off, right? So, 365 days of bullish price action, followed by 427 days of bearish price action, followed by a 525-day sideways consolidation, choppy action basically, and then we hit the halving, we go again, and it repeats. Hit the halving, we go again, and it repeats. And guess where we are now? We're in the choppy sideways consolidation period of the market, guys. It's now the time to be shaken out, because I'm sure a lot of people would get shaken out in all of these corrections, right? People will chase the pump. They get in here because they say, oh, we're going to the all-time high. Boom. You get absolutely wrecked. Halving happens. People have been shaken out by then. They can't handle crypto. And then we go again, right? So what I'm envisioning is from here, some sort of double top. The way that I see it, guys, I don't know if any of you guys see this, but let me move myself out of the way. Now, look, in the last run, we had some sort of double top, followed by a head and shoulders, and then we went right back down and captured that all-time high again, found some support of it. It looks like we're trying to form some head and shoulders. Are we going to come back down and recapture this level at around 20k-ish, maybe? Could be 25k. Maybe that's just hopium on my side, because I'd love a 20k Bitcoin. I would absolutely sell everything I own. And again, don't do that, because that's super risky. But it looks exactly the same as what we experienced in this in the bull run, basically, guys. I'm expecting some downward price action. Who knows how low we're going to go? All I know is that I'm going to be accumulating like hell over these next sort of 500-ish days. And I know that once we get to this period, whether I'm up here or whether the price is down here, I know that we're going to be getting about another year and a half of bullish price action, guys. And we're going to be making the most out of it. So here, a lot of people, they've been through the worst of it. They thought, we're going back up again. We're going to retrace. Okay, maybe some people got in at 20, 25, and the alts still aren't going. And people are thinking, why are my alts not going? Do I even need to hold alts anymore? I'm going to sell all my bag. And they get wrecked. So, look, now is the time to practice patience, guys. Now is not the time to be selling your bags. If anything, now is the time to be really trying to nail down what bags you want and using this last level of accumulation, because I promise you we're going to come back to this video in a year and a half to 2 years, and we're going to say, wow, you know what, even though we did come back down, we retraced, and it was a bit of a choppy sort of all over the place price action, at least we got our alts for cheap. And even things like ETH, you can get it for cheaper now. It's about 1,500. That's amazing. Anything below 1,500, I'm snagging that up. Let me know what you think of the market. Are you bearish? Are you bullish? Are you going to be using this time, or are you just taking a time to the side to just sort of wait to see what happens with the market? Let me know. And again, look, we're going to keep a close eye on the market. We're going to see what levels we can be getting our main bags filled at. Hopefully we get some last final accumulation levels. And yeah, we'll keep you up to date. So until next time, it's been Boy Lex Money Crypto. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.